Welcome to Siamani Maths. Okay, so today we are looking at functions again, but this time around we are looking at 2017 GCE paper, where we'll focus on this question, which says the function g and f are defined as g of x is equal to x minus 1 divided by 2, and f of x is equal to 3x minus 5. Find the inverse of g. Okay, without wasting much of our time, we'll get into the solutions. So A, they want us to find the g inverse of x. So what do? Write the original function of g here. G of x is equal to, where do we find the original function of g? Is here in the question, right over here. So it will be x minus 1 over 2. Okay, then now how do we find the inverse? Replace this expression by y. So it will be y is equal to x minus 1 over 2. Find make x the subject of the formula. How do you do that? Cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplication. So we are going to have 2y is equal to 1 open x minus 1. Okay, so here it will be 2y is equal to, distribute the 1 inside there, you have x minus 1. Then this guy has to cross the equal sign, leaving x alone, so it will be 2x. As it is crossing the equal sign, it will change the sign. Actually, we say find the additive inverse of negative 1, so it will be positive 1 is equal to x. We've achieved that x is the subject of the formula. Okay, since x is the subject of the formula, what are we supposed to do now? So here swap the variables. Where there is x, put what? Y. Where there is y, put x. So we're saying y is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, remember x y was replaced by what? Function g of x, this expression. So write this as g inverse of x is equal to 2x plus 1. You are done. Okay, that's the end of question 1. Okay, you go to B. They want us to find x if f of g is equal to, if f of x is equal to g of x. Find x. So just bring the functions as they are, then equate them to each other. Find x. So we are going to say the original function of x is this one. So we are going to say 3x minus 5 is equal to the original function of g, which is x minus 1 over 2. Okay, this implies that we need to find the to make x the subject of the formula. Now how do we do that? This side we have the fraction and this side we don't have the fraction, so we make this one we make it the fraction as well, so that we can cross and multiply. So if we cross and multiply this one by this one and this one by that one, so it will be 2 open bracket 3x minus 5. Okay, 3x minus 5 close is equal to this one times x minus 1, like that. This implies that when we multiply here 2 by 3x, we got 6x minus 2 by 5, we get 10, then is equal to, there it will remain the same because 1 does not change anything there. So now this guy follows the other and this guy follow the friend there. So this on this stage we say grouping of the like terms. So 6x, this x is positive here, when it comes here to be negative, and now negative 1. This guy is negative here, when it crosses the equal sign becomes positive, so it will be positive 10 there. Then we got 5x is our difference here, which is equal to 9 is the difference there. Then divide both sides by 5, both sides by 5. This and this one, it will give us 1. So 1 times x, we have x, and x is equal to 5 over, 9 over 5. 9 over 5, or you can say, how many times can 5 go there? 1 remainder, 4 over 5. This is the x that they want us to find. Okay, then we go to C. C, they want us to find what? Find G inverse of x of G inverse of f of x. Okay, remember I've already calculated the inverse of what? The inverse of G. So we are just going to bring in the inverse of G here. G inverse of f of x. So we're just going to bring inverse of x here like that. Then where there is x there, we put the whole function of f. What is the function of f? The function of f is right over here. So I'm going to say 3x minus 5 plus, so this remaining one here, so it will be multiply there, we have 6x and 10 there plus 1. Okay, though, so it will be x, the difference here is -9. This is our final answer. It's like this, sorry. Okay, so this is the final answer. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like, comment and share so that your friends can benefit. This has been Siamani Prince. Have a good day.